Hi there guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks very much for joining us again today. I've got a very short video tutorial for you today that will show you how to make a logo in Canva, how to create a logo. So just before I get into it, if you've seen this and you want to give this a go and make your own logo now, you can do so with a link in the description down below. So if you want to try Canva for completely free, just click that link down below. Luckily for us, in Canva, it's a template-based system, so always use a template and modify it to suit your needs. If you go to the search box at the top here in Canva and type in logo, you'll obviously get some suggestions and then access to the logo section then as well. So if I select that, you can see that here I can browse a whole host of logo templates. Okay, so take your time. You may want to sort of star them and save some for future reference and browse. But there's a bunch of logos in Canva. Okay, it's a pretty much endless list. And what I do is find a logo which is closest to what you need, closest to your idea and closest to what you want, and then modify that and create a logo, from that template. Okay, so what I'd basically sort of do is select one of these, for example, and then customize that template. And so say if you like the sort of art style and the font, and you just needed to kind of modify this to say whatever you need, you just type that in there, and then replace the text. You can delete things and modify the image in the background and change the background color and all kinds of different stuff. And there's most templates have sort of alternate versions of them as well, slightly different color, maybe for like a hover over option or something like that on a button. And then once you've sort of selected a template that sort of is closest to what you want, you can then obviously, like I said, modify it. And once you're happy with it, click this little share button in the top right hand corner. Download that then either as a PDF or as an image or whatever format you need onto the device that you're using, and then you can upload it for your use. And that concludes the video tutorial. So like I said, there's a free link to Canva in the description for this video down below, and that's a free trial version of it for you to try. And if you like the video, and give us a like, and if you want more content of this nature, subscribe to the channel. If you've got any then questions for anything you need to know or suggestions for future videos, leave them as comments down below. Thank you very much.